everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melanie. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I am really excited about this video because this is something new for me. Like you guys know, if you look back on my old videos, I've done crochet tutorials and they've been, you know, curly hair, wavy hair, that type of thing, but it's never been what I'm about to try today, which are box braids. So please give me some grace because I will be trying this for really the first time, especially on camera. This hair, it's really gorgeous, and I decided to go with a different color than I typically go for. I'm praying that this comes out good. Like, I'm really praying that it comes out good. So we're gonna get started with this, and I feel like this color kind of goes with my skin complexion, so that's why I was like, let me try this out, you know. Doesn't hurt to try something new. So yeah. So let's get started. So I start by parting my hair in small boxes. My goal was to braid these sections as small as possible to give that perfect clean box braid illusion. So for the back, I decided to create 3 braids just so that when I decide to put my hair in a ponytail, it still gives that box braid illusion. It is clearly obvious that I am excited about this hair. So just some input about the hair. It is 24 inches, Goddess box braids. I have the color 1B, 33, and 30. So I have all that mixed into one. So I purchased this hair on Amazon. It was $25.99. Honestly, I thought it was a great deal compared to like actually getting box braids and paying $250 to $300. So I definitely saved some coins for sure. And I'm going to leave the link to the hair in my description down below. So if you're planning on wearing this hair up or half up, half down, you don't have to do the back of your head perfect, especially if this is going to be like a temporary look for you. And as y'all can see, the back of my hair is looking very, very bulky. It is not perfect at all. It's very hard for me to see the back of my hair. And if I could, I would probably do these boxes all the way back. I still have the back to do. This is just the front, and then I have a few more pieces here that needs to be filled in, but y'all, it's a lot of curls. I love the color and everything. It complements my skin. I don't know, maybe it'll grow on me sometime the end of this week, but in the meantime, I'm gonna finish. So this hair is very, very easy to put in, very easy to install, very easy to take out. In total, it took me to install 2 hours and 45 minutes. Like the braiding portion did take a little while, but for the most part, overall, 2 hours and 45 minutes. This is a perfect date night or vacation look if you are on a last minute schedule and you really need to do something to your hair and you want it to look cute and you want it to last. Do is wear the hair up most of the time, only because it's just too much to have all down, especially like just eating and just doing like basic things. I think it's a lot. It's really cute though, just has to grow on me because your girl's not used to real long hair, but it looks really cute, like a half up, half down. So this is how it looks up. It looks half up, half down. And it didn't take me long. You know, it's just the braiding in the front portion that you want to get right. I feel like I did the braiding pattern in the front pretty good. You have to make sure your parts are straight. Like, that's the main thing. And just like making sure you crochet like downward. I noticed for me, downward, so it doesn't, you know, pop out as much. And this is the back. I'm a pretty fast installer when it comes to crochet, so kind of used to, you know, getting the hair in as fast as I can. But the longest thing, like I said, was the braiding process. So I'm happy that I actually was willing to try something new, because your girl be sticking with the same hair all the time. So I'm happy I got out of my comfort zone and try something new. So gotta give me that. You gotta give me that. So anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.